Google Analytics 2020, continuing a series. We already have videos up for a real-time overview, locations, and traffic sources report. Today we are going to take a look at the content report. And remember, these videos are designed for marketing professionals and those of you new to Google Analytics to gain insights and hopefully drive marketing decisions. The real-time report for content is located today. Again, we're taking a look at the Google Merchandise Store, which is free for anybody to connect to. And right now, again, recapping, 111 visitors are on the site right now. One of the things I always like to look at is the active users, which page they are on. Now, depending on what type of business you are in, this will help you gain from the active page and the page title, help you gain some insights on where traffic is going. I run an e-commerce site, and one of the things I like to do is I like to know if they're on my checkout page, what page of the checkout steps are they on. It can also help you if you're running some display advertising or a special for an e-commerce website, or maybe you have a business website and you want to know if people are looking at your menu for restaurants and things like that. So when you're in your real-time report, when you look at your monthly overview, you always want to compare your traffic month to month or year to year or week over week. But when you're actually looking at the real-time report for content, you're kind of interested in anything that's going on or different about that day that you are either expecting traffic to, or you're trying to specifically drive traffic to certain landing pages if you're using an Instapage or lead pages or something like that. One of the other things is the content report does show what percentage of traffic is mobile and desktop. In this example right now of the 120 people online, 91% of the traffic to the Google Merchandise Store is currently mobile, and this is a way of breaking down that traffic. 13 active users are on there right now, and these are the pages that they are viewing on this website in real time. So if you're connected up to Google Analytics, take a look at your real-time reports. The content report shows what pages they are looking at by active page and the page title, and sometimes that is different depending on how your website mapping structure is laid out. Hopefully this answers some of your questions. Do you have a question about your content? Leave it in the notes below. Also, tell me what you are using the real-time content traffic report for, and take a look at previous videos where we went over traffic sources and locations. That's a continuing look at Google Analytics 2020.